Want to start journaling but don't know where to start? Here are the top 10 how-tos. Get a notebook, use a computer, whatever you like. Sit somewhere comfortable, like a cool reading corner. Start by putting the date at the top. Easy, right? No fancy rules. Write whatever you think, like a secret code only you understand. Write about how you feel, happy or sad. It's your place to spill it. Write what you want to do today and what you're thankful for. Watch your mood lift. Think about your day. Was it awesome or challenging? Add drawings and dream big. Your journal, your rules. Write every day, even a little. It's like growing a plant, but with words. Sometimes go back and read what you wrote. There could be some great ideas hidden inside. So that's all it takes. Stuck on what to write? We've got your back. Subscribe to our channel for a daily dose of inspiration with our journal prompts. Let's make each day a new adventure in your journaling journey.